Hello guys, my name is Chinese Grape and today we will explain the basics of a black hole formation. This is my friend, Bear Glove Deodorant. He will also be a part of this video.
Hello guys, I am Bear Glove Deodorant. I am here to learn from Chinese Grape Gum. I am very curious about the black hole.
Anyways, let's get started. There are about 7 ways a black hole is formed. I will tell you about all 7 of these in simple terms. They are stellar collapse, direct collapse, neutron-star merger, black hole merger, accretion growth, runaway mergers in star clusters, last but not least, primordial collapse. There are no confirmed other types beyond this yet. These cover all observed types, all predicted types, and all known formation paths, based on general relativity and astrophysics. First, we talk about stellar collapse. This happens when a really big star, which is bigger than our sun, runs out of fuel. The star needs fuel to keep itself from being crushed by its own gravity, but when it runs out, there's nothing left to hold it up. The core of the star collapses, gets squeezed smaller and smaller, and the outer parts explode in a supernova.
But what's left behind?
If the star was big enough, the core becomes a black hole, a spot where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape it, not even light. Second, we talk about direct collapse. Instead of starting as a star, a huge cloud of gas in space collapses straight into a black hole. It skips the whole star stage. This only happens when the gas cloud is massive enough and cools just right. The gravity pulls everything in so hard and fast that a black hole forms directly.
I heard scientists think this might be how some of the first giant black holes in the early universe were made.
Yes, that's true, Bear Glove Deodorant. Third, we talk about neutron-star merger. Two really massive stars die and become neutron stars, super dense, heavy leftovers. These two neutron stars slowly orbit each other and get closer over time. Eventually, they crash into each other in a giant explosion. The force of the collision is so strong that it can create a black hole. This also sends out gravitational waves, ripples in space, that we can detect on Earth.
I think this is one of the coolest ways black holes can form, and I've even heard that we've actually seen it happen with telescopes and detectors.
Now fourth, black hole merger. Sometimes, two black holes are stuck in orbit around each other. They slowly get closer and closer. When they finally collide, they merge into one bigger black hole. This crash sends out powerful gravitational waves. This is kind of like neutron-star merger.
So, a small black hole plus another small black hole equals one bigger black hole.
Exactly. Now fifth, accretion growth. It's basically just a black hole eating stuff and expanding, growing bigger over time. This is how supermassive ones can grow for many, many years. Sixth, runaway mergers in star clusters. This happens in places where there are lots of stars packed closely together, called star clusters. Inside these busy clusters, big stars or black holes can crash into each other again and again. Each time they merge, the new object gets bigger and heavier. It eats its neighbors. If this keeps happening fast enough, it can lead to a medium-sized black hole, called an intermediate mass black hole.
So it's just merging over and over until it's way bigger than usual.
Yep, last but not least, primordial collapse. This is a theoretical idea, means that we haven't proven it, but it's possible. Right after the Big Bang, the universe was super hot, dense, and chaotic. Some scientists think that in those early moments, tiny pockets of matter may have been so dense that they just collapsed into black holes. These would be called primordial black holes, born before stars, galaxies, or anything else.
Wow, how big can they be?
They could be tiny like a mass of a mountain, or huge like thousands of suns. Some people even think these ancient black holes might be hiding in the universe today and could help explain dark matter. But no one's found one yet.
So in summary, stellar collapse is a huge star runs out of fuel and its core collapses after a supernova. Direct collapse is a massive gas cloud collapses straight into a black hole without becoming a star. Neutron-star merger is two dead stars crash into each other and form a black hole. Black hole merger is two black holes orbit and crash into each other, creating a bigger one. Accretion growth is a black hole slowly eats gas, stars, or other black holes and grows larger. Runaway mergers in star clusters is many stars or black holes in a dense cluster keep merging until one huge black hole forms. And primordial collapse is a theory. Tiny black holes may have formed right after the Big Bang from dense spots in early space.
Thank you for summarizing the formation of black holes, Bear Glove Deodorant. I hope I have educated the viewers about black holes. It's time for me to leave. Goodbye.